name's Cazo, or Jacques Seronde, and this is, I guess we're sitting in the starting place of Bluebird Farms, which we got to that name sort of like by way of being here, and like we didn't know what to name it for a long time. We settled on Bluebird Farms, which is a small farm. It's 20 acres, and it's January, middle of January, still cold, frost on the ground this morning. Middle of Verde Valley, between Mingus Mountains and the Mogollon Rim, just nestled right in here, center of Verde Valley. Bluebird Farms.
Those goats are going to be going for it. Yeah, that is what's cool.
Bluebird represents hope and beauty and really like clarity of vision. To have Bluebird be the emblem of our project is hopefully sort of evoking the support of that idea of like beauty and clarity and hope. Here. We got 3 dogs, 1 cat, 3 guinea fowl, and hopefully 15 chickens. I haven't counted recently, but like that's the most recent count, is 15 chickens. To say that we're biodynamic farming is not exactly true. We use methods from biodynamic farming. The whole thing with biodynamic farming is like it has to be polyculture. It's not about one thing, and we're actually just trying to participate in the larger, older world. The relationship between the plants and the mushrooms and the bacteria and the viruses in the air, the water, the soil, that relationship has been going for so long, and they've got it like down pat. That system's really what's doing the growing, and how that all works together as one, not closed unit, but open unit. Like everything is working together openly. We don't bring anything onto the property. Like everything for a balanced ecosystem exists here already. What is here? We have mesquite, we have beautiful soil, we have water. We did bring livestock in, but now they're part of this system, and so we use the livestock manure. So hopefully everything we need to create a balanced soil life, a balanced crop yields, a balanced lifestyle for us exists here. I used to not even like want to use the word I'm working the land, because that implied that like I was somehow in charge of what was happening. Working with is a little bit better. We're like partners in this project. Funny how language can do so much to like just change just a little bit about how you approach the situation. It's like how we're having sheep, building a garden, building a house, is the story, is the reason, is the place. And this is really from my dad's inspiration. Like he's really good at, like he's got his own meditation for this practice of growing and farming, but it's to make a home for water. And so to make a home for water is to make a safe place and a healthy place and a respectful place that can be regenerative, like so the water can continue its cycle, its path, and connecting water on more of like a through line instead of an extraction process of like, this is our water for our needs. And so to make a home for water, we put in the well, and every day as the sun shines, direct DC current from the solar panels to the well, pumps the well, fills the water storage, water batteries, and then irrigates throughout the rest of the day. We're lucky to have just 11 feet below our feet right now is the water table, and a sandy loam. So when we water, it goes through and the plants take up what they need, and anything else is going straight back into that aquifer. So to have the sun power the water every day is like a beautiful exchange of elements. This is a space that has changed me. I've grown here. I've drank from the creeks. I've lived in this space. I've been, you know, part of this world that every time I acknowledge it, it seems to like reassure me like, yeah, I'm working because of this land. Being given a purpose within a space, that sort of becomes my sense of place. Like having something to do that is interacting with the physicality of the older, larger world then becomes a home. It becomes a reason.
This little bridge right here is where we're going to put the pecan trees. At least 20. 2 rows.
For me, the best way to like participate in this life that I've found is to really connect to the land. And you connect to the land by like putting your hands in the soil and you grow food. Taking our energy, our mental and physical energy, and like growing something benefits that space way beyond anything that I can do outside of that. This is our home, this is our space, and like, how do we act in balance with the larger, older world is you participate in it, you give back to it, you grow with it. And inviting that into my own life and cultivating that, and then like inviting other people to participate in that. Like having people come down and like plant trees or just walk the creek bed instantly connects us more to the larger, older world, which is the best thing we can be doing. What other work could I be doing? Like this is the best work to do, is to work with the soil, work with my body, work with my hands, and helping just a little bit. Like 20 acres, 20 feet, like it's better. It's a start.
The sun doesn't even break the valley floor here this time of year until like almost 8:45.
Wow.
Like it's like still like tomorrow morning you wake up, if you guys wake up before the sun like hits the floor, like it's like frosty everywhere. It's
Wow.
kind of pretty.